Me. Hey, low tier god. Low tier god. Yo, what's up? Me. I brought your child that you abandoned. Low tier god. Now why the fuck would you do that? Son of low tier god. Dad, please come back, or I will call Pack God on you. Low tier god. Call Pack God, little boy, I don't care. Son of low tier god. Okay, bet. Calls Pack God. Pack God spawns in. Pack God. Well, look who we have here. Low tier god. I heard you were 5-1. Pack God. Yay guys, I'm out of here. Son of low tier god. That's it, him calling the IRS. IRS. Low tier god, pay us back for the $121,000 you owe us. Low tier god. No. IRS. That's it, after I'm done with you, I'm gonna make you wash my balls and pay the rest of your taxes and get a real job, you deadbeat. Low tier god. Get the fuck away from me. IRS. Come back here. Me. Well, I'm glad I'm not in debt because I don't want a job.